Welcome to the Zeman factory in Scheifling, Austria. In the heart of the Alps, where the best steel in the world is produced, we build each of our machines by hand for the highest possible precision. In our new solar-powered factory, innovation is our goal, solving for the needs of tomorrow's steel fabricator today. Every machine we build is customized for our customers' specific needs, from limited floor space to specific infeed and unload requirements, and custom software solutions for unusual and challenging welds. We have a solution for every fabricator. We've worked closely with PeddiAssembler and their customers to make sure this machine handles the needs of the American market. The PeddiAssembler is a fantastic machine that balances features and a compact footprint. It's designed to exceed your expectations. The valuable insights we've collected over our 8 years of working together have led to a machine that's tried and true, and it embodies the PeddiAssembler motto, stronger than steel. We're proud of what we've built together, and the over 20 machines we've sold to American fabricators in the past 5 years proves they are an invaluable addition to every fabricator's toolkit. Take a look at the testimonials from fab shops around the globe on our channel, or talk to one of PeddiAssembler's customers yourself. There's a good reason we're selling PeddiAssemblers as fast as we can build them. It handles all standard beam types, large profiles we've optimized for flux core, and it can perform welds no human can match. PeddiAssembler makes it easy to maintain and increase shop output despite shortages of highly trained fitting professionals and unexpected limitations of worker availability. We're building these machines to attract the next generation of welders by helping the industry grow, making the job safer, cleaner, and more productive. In part 3 of this series, we'll be seeing the build and testing in our Austrian facility before the machine is packed and sent off to Illinois. We look forward to your feedback and questions. Please reach out to our partners at PeddiAssembler or us directly via the websites listed in the text below.
I'll be back.